Hey guys, how's it going? In this video we're gonna be showing you how to draw a Spider-Man. Okay, so you start with a circle, follow these lines, and these lines are gonna be in 5 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Feel free to pause the video to see them. I'm gonna continue by drawing the first or second layer, to be honest. Just use your pencil really lightly here. Okay, draw a circle, draw a square for the body. I'll show you here. Okay, and then I want you to draw squares where the hands should be. So just follow what I'm doing in the video here. Whenever you'd like to pause the video, feel free to do so. And now we're going to put the third layer, where it's basically we just draw the body properly. So if you have a rubber, feel free to use it. And follow what I'm doing on the video here. We're just drawing the outline of the body. If you've been drawing one over the other, feel free to rub anything inside the body that we're drawing now. This is how we're going to draw the hand. And this is the second hand where he's shooting the web from. So with the hand that's shooting the web, make sure 2 fingers are pointing up, so it shows it looks like a Spider-Man hand. And now we draw a bit of the detail of the body. Okay, so we'll draw the details on his suit, and we'll draw his eyes and his web coming out. So with the web you just draw lines, and then between these lines you just put like a curvy line. So we'll do that for the rest of his body. And just take it nice and easy, slowly. If you want to pause, rewind, do anything like that. For his head, we're gonna make the lines come from every side, and then we'll put these squiggly lines between all the vertical lines that we did earlier. Alright, now we have a full Spider-Man. Okay, so let's color it so that we can make it look exactly like Spider-Man looks. We're gonna draw black around his eyes, and we're gonna draw a little spider in the middle, and then the rest, well, his head's gonna be red, some of his body's gonna be red, and other sections will be blue. And then once we've colored them red and blue, we've got our Spider-Man. So just follow what I'm doing with the coloring, and you'll soon have a beautiful looking Spider-Man. There you go, we've got our Spider-Man fully finished. Let's do a little bit of a background for him just to make it look even nicer. We're gonna do a brick wall, a ground, and a shadow for him as well. And yeah, there you go. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you've enjoyed the video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel.